I'm getting in a little later than I wanted to. Again, it's pretty much the story of my life. It was actually not too bad of a walk in for the first half, and then I realized that I was running out of time, so I had to pick up the pace. I stopped quick, took a break, had a quick snack, and continued on here. I've now got just over an hour of light left, so that leaves me having to collect some firewood. I'm also going to be trying something a little different today, but we'll get into that later when I get to cook dinner. It's only about -5 right now. I'm pretty warm from the walk in, but it's supposed to be going down to -12 tonight, and that'll be the coldest that I've ever camped in. So this will be a good experience for me and a good test for the gear. It'll work. It's the first time I've ever set it up like this, so that's not too bad. Alright, so this is the plan for tonight. A few new things that I want to try. So, I'm going to be using this twig stove, I think, to do dinner tonight. It's actually suggested to me that it might be a good idea to try using a twig stove. That way I can actually move it a little closer and cook underneath the tarp. Dinner tonight should be pretty easy, so nothing too complex, and I think it's a good one to test out. It's supposed to be a mini Swedish torch. And if you don't know what a Swedish torch is, well, you'll see. This is just a mini version of it. So hopefully this works. I don't know exactly how this is going to go. It is pretty wet in there. We're just going to load the inside of this with some birch bark. Struggling a little bit. Alright, so I've been at this for a little while. I'm really having trouble getting the flame to take hold on the inside. I got one more thing I'm going to try, and if it doesn't work, I think I'm going to move on to the fire because I am getting hungry. Nope, I don't think it's going to work. So I'm going to call it there, I think. So finally, for dinner, dehydrated chili. Yeah, that looks like chili to me. Man. Hopefully this rehydrated okay. It looks good. Oh yeah. I'm glad that at least something went right on the first try. I'm also glad that I didn't do a super involved meal tonight because I was friggin' hungry. Well, that meal was a success. I'm debating on whether or not I want dessert. We'll do it. We'll do it. Why not? I deserve some dessert after all that crap. Dessert, it's more just the hot drink, but dessert for tonight, spiced apple cider. Oh, man, that is sweet. It is really clear out tonight. It's too bad my camera doesn't pick up the stars because I would totally show you that. I guess me even just blowing into the bag was causing enough moisture to build up on the inside because ice got into the valve piece and then the back valve wouldn't close, so it kept leaking. And just quickly closed the valve. I think it should be okay. I'm working on something to replace this bag. I'm also going to try sleeping with my foam mat on top tonight because I know it is a little colder out. A little colder. I hear that this is the better way to do it, so I'm going to try that and see if I get any more mileage. Somewhere between -15 and -20. It's 11 o'clock now. I had a late night last night and I'm pretty tired. All I gotta do is change into some more comfortable sleep clothes and I'll be good to go. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Slept pretty well last night. I woke up at like 6 and I could barely see the sun coming up. And it's like just past 9 o'clock now. So I've been out for the last 3 hours. Let's see if the fire gods are gonna bless me this morning. It's frozen. Oh yeah. That is frozen cheese. There we go. The warm meat and the ice cold apples really contrast each other well. I'm just waiting for my coffee now. The one thing I will say that I'm really bad at doing out here is coordinating everything so that it's all ready at the same time and at a reasonable temperature to eat. I could have waited for my coffee, but these would have been cold and there's already ice cubes in here, so. It's really warming up out here. That was so good. I'm gonna have another one. Pre-mixed coffee and cream. That little bug, it's called a water boatman, and I accidentally dug the poor guy up. There you go. Hey! Oh, it is warm out now. The sun is right out. There's no clouds. My little thermometer was registering 10 and 15 degrees Celsius because it was sitting directly in the sun, so it is warm. So that was a good trip. It was a good test for the gear. It's the coldest I've ever camped in. I was nice and cozy. The stick stove didn't work out. I know I could have used it as a regular stick stove last night, but I was getting pretty hungry and I didn't want to mess around with it anymore. I just wanted to make some food. I haven't completely given up on it. I may again try that in the future. I'm going to take the ice back because it's a lot more direct than running through the woods the way I did yesterday. I'm going to sign off for now. As always, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.